CB or something. Thinking about putting CB on it.
Putting a CB on there. Why you want to put a CB on it?
That's
Funny as hell. What you gonna do? Put a big old antenna? Well, that, you know this is fiberglass, and that fiberglass is not metal, so you have to put your antenna on the back of that.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Yeah, looks like a tractor.
Yeah, it does.
We'll have to break into a round of Green Acres is the place to be. Oh, okay. Let's see. So where that screws on? Right. Screw it back on there.
3/4 bolt.
Huh?
That's 3/4 bolt.
Oh. So it's like you can spin around until you fall off. Okay. Well, get on it and bounce up and down like the dude on Green Acres does.
Nope.
Nope.
Not gonna happen.
Not gonna happen, huh? Well, tell us about it. What is that? Is that a DC motor?
Yeah, it's 24 volt.
24 volt, huh? Well, we
Yeah.
can make a generator out of that.
Yeah.
You know that? Well, why don't we do that?
Here's the
Where'd that come off of?
fly scooters.
Oh,
Got
so
another
you're not gonna
scooter.
ride that no more? What volt's DC? That is DC motor. Look at that.
Yeah.
At rated current 14 amps, 250 watts. It's 250 watt. Here's a 250 watt DC 24 volt generator. Where's the bolt goes on this?
I don't know.
It's got a flat on it, don't it? Yeah, right there.
It don't have one.
Yeah, it has a flat. A flat
I
spot.
know it does, but it didn't have a nut on it.
Oh, there's no nut?
No.
Why?
I don't know. There wasn't even a freaking sprocket on it.
There wasn't nothing on it. Where'd you find this?
It's on that scooter that we found by the garbage picked.
Oh.
Then that other one probably has the same motor on it.
Man. 250 watts. That's 250 watts.
Yeah, if we can get some blades up, I mean,
Yeah.
it's pretty windy.
We need to find a hand or something. Well, feel that. Turn that.
Yeah.
Hold it and turn it. I
We
mean,
had some like 2 foot.
it's going to take more than that.
It's
It's gonna,
5 2-foot blades. Would turn that.
it's going to take a lot of oomph to turn that.
Well, those 2 green batteries down there probably just.
Yeah.
Well, it's showed 12 volt. Usually it'd be 24 volt. But this black one, it's the only one that's actually probably able to revive. I mean, I got up a volt from 6
did
volts
you?
to 7 volts. The rest, like all these green ones, like one's 0.25 volts, one's 1.35 volts, and then the other black battery is 4 volts.
So that one right there, that black one right there,
Yeah.
and that one were a pair. Were they on that?
No,
Where were they at?
they were on that blue stand scooter. That blue stand-up scooter.
Oh, they were?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Then these green ones were off of the that black one.
So that thing still has all its parts.
Yeah. It just needs to be charged.
Yeah. So you got your new solar panel, huh?
Yeah.
Got a whole bunch of wires and stuff to hook up stuff and everything. Yeah, so does this thing run? You know we're gonna have to mow out there.
Yeah, I can start up.
Cool. Start up. Fired up. It's got gas. Looks like an army jeep or something. Tank is bone dry.
No, it's got some in it. It just needs gas.
Oh, it just needs gas up to past the level where the gas will flow out of it, huh?
It's gas. Yeah.
Here, can't you work this choke it and get it started?
Yeah.
Did you turn on the valve?
Got plenty.
Got plenty of oil.
Brand new.
Brand new oil, huh? Where'd you get the oil from?
Bought it.
You bought it? Oh. Don't you use the oil I had?
Because I like drank the whole thing off it. That's the size of
Well, 8-liter gas in the...
It's only at 12 volts.
Oh. Well, did you hook your charger up to it? Yeah.
Well, they're on there, trust me.
I know that one's on there. It's like cramped down it.
Yeah, look down too.
Yeah. Well, that one's just, but I mean, that one right there is almost embedded in it.
Yeah. I'm gonna try and
One coming off. Yeah, measure.
Right here at 20 volts because the output is 22, but from the electricity thing from the battery to these, it only comes up as 12. Well, you won't measure above 20 volts whenever you measure this because
Yeah.
what's the fun with that?
So is it charging?
Let's see, I'm getting taps.
Oops.
22,
22
volts
22 volts
output,
output.
and it's overcast.
So that's your no load voltage. And then you put a load on it, and then it drops down
To the battery, pretty much, down to the battery.
Yep.
And we can measure the battery too.